Hey lovelies, you've come to the right place if you'd like to learn how to braid. While you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So you divide your hair into a section, and that section you further divide it into 3. In your 3 sections, you will have the left strand, the middle strand, and the right strand. Your left strand, you have the choice of holding it with your ring and pinky finger, or you can hold it with your middle and ring finger. It just depends on your preference. Then your middle strand, you hold it with your index and middle finger. The finger placements I show you can be switched up. You do not have to follow the exact ones that I use, because at the end of the day, when you're braiding, you need to be comfortable. So if you feel like the ones that I'm showing you don't make you comfortable at all, feel free to change them up. With the other hand, you will use your thumb and index finger to grab and pass on the hair. Now that you know the basics, let's go! When you're braiding, you will move the left strand and bring it to the middle, like so. Then you move it further to the right. You do this by bringing the right strand to the middle, just like that. Notice how I'm also tilting my hand as well. Basically what you're doing is taking the left strand, bringing it into the middle, and passing it over to the right again. Are you enjoying this video? Then make sure to like and subscribe. Here you notice that my other strand is thinned out and it's shorter. So I break off the thicker strand and I donate it to the thinner strand. Then I braid and continue. Then when I get to the end, I like to combine 2 strands that are the thinnest and I twist them up. I already have a twisting video, please check it out if you don't know how to twist. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and I will see you when I upload cornrows. Bye!